Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Messenger video to your Facebook timeline. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now on your screen, you can see all conversations, search bar, menu, and create new messages. All you have to do is look for the conversation where you have the video that you want to share to Facebook timeline. Now open the conversation and open the video. Once you open the video, on the top right corner you can see small three-dot menu. Tap on it and select share. Once you select that, you have to scroll and tap on more. Now under more you have to find Facebook. Then from the bottom you can see a small menu will appear where they're gonna ask you to share to feed, story, reels or groups. You can either select feed or reels to have it on your Facebook timeline. I'm gonna select feed. Then all you have to do is write few caption, then tap on post. And guys, that's it. That's how you share Messenger video to your Facebook timeline. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.